What we have at the moment is Carl Steiner's first Christmas present.
Yes, it's
Daddy.
2010 Christmas.
Yeah.
And Carl.
We were supposed to be going to the States.
Carl.
Hopefully we'll go on Monday. Yes. Yes. Oh. See, it's all fuzzy. I don't know why it's fuzzy. It's annoying.
She gets his face. She's so happy.
Oh, Carly. Yes. It's your first present.
You get to give Mummy a kiss now.
Give Mommy a kiss. Oh,
And then Daddy gives you a kiss.
yes.
You like it? Yes, you do. That is your first symphony.
Yay. Yeah, you